Guys, I am so excited because I am posting a long video after so long. I have been so focused on creating short form content, reels and YouTube shorts. और साल खत्म होने वाला था when I was supposed to record this. खत्म हो चुका है, so we have already entered 2026 and I was like, no, we have to do this. I have to stop procrastinating. I want to talk about manifestation today. I know my last video was also about manifestation, but this is about something specific, something very, very, very close to my heart. It's how I manifested my biggest goal in 2025. It's crazy, so watch till the end. By the way, if you don't know me, I'm Pri and this is With Love Pri, which is basically me talking about life, growth, figuring things out without pretending I have it all sorted. I want to talk about manifestation, but not the Pinterest version, not the just think positive and the universe will deliver kind of version. कि अगर ऐसा होता तो मैं फिलहाल बाली में बैठ के पीना कोलाडा पी रही होती या अपनी पिंक जी वैगन लेकर दुबई में गेड़ी मार रही होती. But clearly, I am in my room. You know, miracles होते हैं, magic happens, but there are days when you doubt yourself, you barely know how to meditate, when money and growth, everything seems so slow, but you still have to show up anyway, right? I'm talking about manifesting even when you're a freaking mess. I manifested the biggest goal I manifested the biggest goal I set for myself in 2025. Had it on my vision board. I have it in my journals. I had it everywhere in my notes app. My first original song. For those of you who do not know, I released my first original song on all platforms. There's even a video too on this channel itself. कायनात की पूरी कहानी बाद में आज हम सिर्फ उस गोल की बात करेंगे. This video is not about music, but this example is the clearest proof I have that manifestation actually works. Just not in the way that Instagram sells it. I wrote this song 3 years ago. Okay, there's a very personal story to it जो शायद आगे मैं बाद में बताऊंगी. And मैंने 2 साल पहले ये रिकॉर्ड किया. For the longest time I did absolutely nothing with it. रिकॉर्ड करके बस छोड़ के बैठ गई. दुनिया भर के एक्सक्यूजेस दिए खुद को. आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर कॉन्फिडेंस, क्लैरिटी, राइट टाइम, राइट साइन, बेसिकली एवरीथिंग एक्सेप्ट एक्चुअली शेयरिंग इट विद द वर्ल्ड एंड स्टार्टिंग. If you're watching this thinking, yeah, I have something like that too in my life, something I've been sitting on forever, जो मुझे बहुत टाइम से करना है बट मैं कर नहीं पा रहा या पा रही. This video is not about me, it's for you too. My excuses sounded very reasonable by the way. मतलब कोई सुनता है तो अग्री कर लेता था कि हाँ भाई बात तो सही कह रही है. I needed a videographer. मुझे पता नहीं था how to start. It was my first song. I needed a bigger audience. I need more time. It's not good enough yet. First song है तो it should be perfect. Ideally quality video होनी चाहिए. गाना perfect होना चाहिए. गाने में ये change करना है, वो change करना है. Very professional, very thought out, very very fake. Because if I am being honest, none of these were actual blockers. They were just conditions I created ताकि मुझे start ही ना करना पड़े. And the funny part is, these excuses don't sound like fear. They sound like planning. Way too much planning. They sound like you're being serious about your goals. What they really mean is, I don't want to start unless it's perfect. Perfect timing, perfect confidence, perfect outcome, zero embarrassment, zero risk, which is hilarious because nothing in life works like that. Especially not manifestation. Manifestation does not respond to मैं तभी करूंगी जब सब कुछ alignment में होगा. Because everything aligns after you move, not before. I think हम high standards और perfection के पीछे इतना भागते हैं, उनको as an excuse use करते हैं so that we don't have to confront our inherent fears or actual things that are blocking us. ठीक है भाई, समझ आ गया प्री, तुझे क्वालिटी चाहिए, बट आर यू श्योर यू आर नॉट जस्ट डिलेइंग इट बिकॉज यू आर टू स्कैर्ड इट विल बी रियल, टू स्कैर्ड दैट इट विल फेल, दैट इट विल नॉट गो वायरल, यू आर टू स्कैर्ड दैट पीपल विल जज यू. The truth is, I wasn't waiting for a label or a better video. I was just waiting for a guarantee of some kind. And life does not give you guarantees, let me tell you. Life तुम्हें chances देती है and then watches what you do with it. And once I realized that, something completely shifted. The shift did not come from thinking positive. It did not come from दुनिया भर की affirmations, journaling, or me suddenly becoming a calm, evolved Zen person. It came from asking myself a very basic, slightly uncomfortable question. मेरा purpose क्या है? क्या intention है? मतलब why do I even want to do this? Because for the longest time, I think I was subconsciously tying this song to some big outcome. अगर मैंने रिलीज किया, मे बी इट गोज वायरल, मे बी इट ब्लोज अप, मे बी इट चेंजेस एवरीथिंग फॉर मी, मे बी सडनली आई एम समवन. पर इससे सिर्फ अननेसेसरी प्रेशर ऐड हो रहा था एंड वो डर वो बढ़ रहा था बिकॉज नाउ आई इंक्रीज्ड द स्टेक्स. नाउ यू आर नॉट जस्ट रिलीजिंग अ सॉन्ग, यू आर पुटिंग योर एंटायर सेल्फ वर्थ ऑन द लाइन. सो आई हैड टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद माई सेल्फ I wasn't releasing this song for some magical overnight success, first of all. For a million views, not to prove anything to anyone. This was my first original song. I wrote it years ago. As I mentioned before, it came from a very real place in my life. It came out of love and hurt and heartbreak, and it was बहुत ही personal है ये मेरे लिए. Honestly, I just wanted to do this for me. And the moment I admitted that to myself, things completely changed. I swear to God, everything changed. Pressure कम हो गया, डर कम हो गया, and the goal suddenly felt doable. Now the question wasn't what if it doesn't work. It became what if I never try. This is where manifestation actually makes sense. Not when you believe that you will win big overnight. When you get honest about your intention. Intention जब clear होता है, your actions stop overwhelming you. You're not chasing validation anymore. You're just keeping a promise to yourself. और जब ये समझ आया, starting did not seem scary. Let me tell you one thing that actually worked for me. The first action. प्लान दूर दूर तक नहीं था, तब क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, कॉन्फिडेंस भाई में पूरा था. At the beginning of the year, I randomly started telling people I'm releasing my song in November. I wasn't. It was just something random that I started telling people. कोई कुछ दूर दूर तक वीडियो नहीं रिकॉर्ड हुई थी, कुछ नहीं हुआ था, बस गाने का ऑडियो तैयार था, रफ. But I kept telling people anyway. That public commitment forced movement. One day I went to a friend's studio. He's also my producer and a very good friend of mine. Spoke to another friend who shoots videos and I asked a very simple question. हम realistically on a budget क्या कर सकते हैं? No big props, कोई fancy venue नहीं है, कोई तामझाम नहीं, simple basic just things that felt like me. क्या कर सकते हैं? And I shared whatever I had in mind. A white gown, a park in front of my house, a book, a ukulele, sunlight, and one skilled enough to capture it. That's it. And this is how the video came to life. It is so me. It yells pre. No label could have done it. The kind of simplicity and authenticity I wanted for my first song, well, I got it. ठीक है, शायद views ना आए, it didn't blow up, but I would never be disappointed ever. And I would never regret it. लोग कहते तू पागल है, वेट कर लेती, लेबल के थ्रू कर लेती, ऑडियंस बिल्ड करती पहले. बट नो, आई गॉट व्हाट आई वांटेड. माय इंटेंशन वाज क्लियर, द रीजन वाज क्लियर. मे बी इन द फ्यूचर, for my future song, I might go with a label or save up and build the audience first, but not Kainat. This song has a very special place in my heart. Maybe future में शायद मैं ऐसे भी गाने लिखूं जिसका intention यही होगा कि I want to be known as a musician. I wouldn't have that intention कि मैं उस गाने को as something personal, I'm putting it out there. That's for future stuff. It wasn't that for Kainat. I realized it wasn't magic. It wasn't affirmations all day. It wasn't pretending I wasn't scared. It felt magical once it was out. Yes. Before that, it was intentional effort. Believing that it's possible doesn't mean that you're 100% sure कि things are gonna work out. You will have your doubts, even when you want to be absolutely certain. Because I know जब 100% belief or certainty होती है, it makes manifestation easier. I have tried it, okay? But इंसान है हम. We don't have a positivity switch. कभी भी हम उसको ऑन ऑफ करें. We cannot always fake it till we make it. Have doubts, we have fear. इतने टाइम बाद इतना बोल रही हूँ मैं. Anyway, long story short, it just means you're willing to take one step even when you're very unsure. Did releasing the song fix my life? Absolutely not. But I ticked off the top goal on my 2025 list. That feeling of keeping a promise to yourself changes something inside you. I felt peaceful. I felt so proud of myself. My belief in myself increased. अब गाना कहाँ जाता है ये तो मुझे नहीं पता. I know it's gonna reach people who still believe in love. A world full of confusing dating rules and games and manipulation. You don't need to release a song, by the way. ये तो बस मेरा example था. Maybe you're manifesting money, a stable job, a stable profession, a better lifestyle, or a relationship that doesn't make you anxious all the time. या फिर something as simple as a version of yourself that you're not secretly disappointed in. Sitting there thinking, I want it so badly, but nothing is happening. I have a vision board and everything. I need you to hear this clearly. Manifestation is not random. It's not luck. And it is definitely not magic dust. Of course, the outcome feels magical, but it's structured, it's intentional. Okay, techniques and vision boards and stuff, they act as a means to an end. They are not the end. There has to be action. What you believe changes how you behave. How you behave decides whether you take action. and action very boring, very unglamorous, slow wins wala action, that is what creates result. Slowly being the key word here that nobody likes. We all hate slow growth. We just want to blow up, we just want virality in one night. But ऐसा नहीं होता है. There will be bad days जहाँ try करना भी बेवकूफ़ी लग रही होगी. Days where you think what if all of this goes to waste, क्या point होगा इसका? What you need to understand is that doesn't mean it's not working. This means you're doing something real. If it was easy, effortless and always exciting, everyone would be living their dream life already. If you're feeling stuck right now, please do not quit. Bhagwan ke liye, do not quit. Sometimes the most helpful thing you can do is to remind yourself why you started. Cliché but works. और borrow belief for a bit. क्रिएटर्स को देखो, दूसरे लोगों की स्टोरीज को सुनो, जिनको सुन के लगे ओके मे बी दिस इज पॉसिबल. ऐसे क्रिएटर्स जिनसे तुम सच में इंस्पायर होते हो, हु हैव हैड एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर लाइफ. नॉट इवन क्रिएटर्स यार, अपनी एक्चुअल लाइफ में एक्चुअल लोग हु मे इंस्पायर यू. यू डोंट नीड टू फील रेडी, यू डोंट नीड टू फील कॉन्फिडेंट, जस्ट नीड टू स्टार्ट एंड देन कीप स्टार्टिंग इवन ऑन द डेज इट feels pointless. I'll talk more about specific manifestation techniques in future videos because yes, some of them genuinely work and speed up the process, and I have seen that for myself. But if you remember just one thing from this video, let it be this: don't stop. Even if it's slow, keep going, because one day you'll look back and realize this was the moment that changed everything. मुझे अब ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल लिया, so I will probably stay shut for a very long time now. Anyway, with love, Bree.